When taking this product, be sure to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are using the enteric-coated capsules, swallow them whole. If you are taking the chewable form, make sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon. Do not use a household spoon as it may not give you the correct dose. Some brands of this medication should be shaken well before each use. If your condition does not improve or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. Some people may experience a fishy aftertaste, nausea, bloating, or burping after taking this fish oil capsule. If these effects persist or worsen, seek medical advice. If your doctor has prescribed this product, it means that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects for you. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, but contact your doctor if you notice any easy bleeding or bruising. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction may occur. Seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. Contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada. Before taking omega-3 fatty acids, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to fish or other ingredients in the product. If you are pregnant, only use this medication when necessary and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before taking this product. Drug interactions can affect how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and over-the-counter drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone takes too much of this medication and has severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, they should call emergency services. Otherwise, they should contact their local poison control center immediately. U.S. residents can call 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center. During your treatment with this medication, your doctor may want to conduct lab or medical tests to monitor your cholesterol and liver function. It's important to attend all scheduled appointments and follow up with your doctor for more information. If you forget to take this product at the usual time, just take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then just wait and take the next dose as scheduled. Don't take extra to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to check the storage instructions on the package. If you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Keep the capsules away from light and moisture, and avoid storing them in the bathroom or freezing them. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush the capsules down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly dispose of the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.